Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As I was saying, we've gone through all the wiring, and there is the consumer unit. So all have been turned on because we've just did the testing. So there's the main power, and that's the LCD, and all the different sockets which have been named there here. So the different sockets are there for different circuits. The last two are just lights, and the rest are just sockets and air conditioners. So just to explain, this gadget there, as I said before, is the DC disconnect. So coming there, you've got the two cables coming from the solar panels from the rooftop coming through to there. So the cables are coming in here, so connected to, these are the arresters. So they're just there to protect the whole system from lightning and everything else, as over current and everything. So this is what this does. So on top we've got 20 panels, and each panel is about 38 volts maximum. So 10 in series, that will give us 380. So I just checked, at the moment it's 5 p.m. So checking what we've got here. So what we're getting, okay, it's on hold, so I'll pull it off and put it back on. So as you can see, it's reading 315, which is very good. Instead of 380, but it's 5 p.m. anyway. So current is coming through, and I've put the machine on, and this is the inverter, the Monster 5 kV. So which been connected to the AC disconnect there, and connected further to the consumer unit. So we just checked a while ago that we've got lights. So because all these have not been connected yet, however, we checked the light outside, this one, which is on. So I can put it off there, and it's off, and it's on, off and on. So we've got lights at 5 p.m. So it's actually 5:05, and we've got still got lights on for free. How amazing this is. I'm so glad. So that means if I check this, if I should check this, I don't know if I can get in. It should be able to give me should be able to give me 230. It's difficult to get in. Okay, well. So if I put this on, it should give me 230 volts. Ta-da! Yay, we've got lights. I'm so glad. Alhamdulillah. Wow. So that's about it. Thank you very much, and we'll get in touch again. Bye. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.